Hey, what is up? I just wanted to show you how to add a funnel that's shared from someone else that has a Dropfunnels account and they've already built the funnel and they're sharing the link with you, and you're taking that and putting that funnel into your account. So first of all, I have a link that has been sent to me. It's a funnel that someone has shared with me. So I'm going to find that link. Okay, there's the link, and I'm going to right click and copy the link address, and then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go to dropfunnels.com, and you have to be logged in for this to work. So I'm going to go to member login, and then I'm going to put my email in and then password. Log in. Simple enough. And so now I'm in Dropfunnels. Now I've already got a funnel in here, and just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to just go ahead and delete it because I've already imported it before. So I'm going to delete it. Now your account should only have like this intro thing right here, if that, but it won't have the funnel that you're trying to import yet. So the way you import that is you have to be logged in and just open up a new tab, and remember the link that we copied, just paste it in there and hit enter, and then it will pull up this, and all we're going to do is click add funnel. Now this was giving an error, which is fine because it added the funnel anyways, so we might still get that error. I don't know. It's a glitch in Dropfunnels for the moment. So it'll take just a minute to load that funnel in there. Okay, as you can see, it says error. A lot of people think that it didn't work, but this error is just fine. I'm not sure why the error is there. It looks like it might have something to do with Cloudflare because of the Ray ID. But anyways, if we come back in here and we click refresh, we'll see that the funnel has been added. And then now we can, click on it and make sure everything's good. So I'll hit edit. Whoops, hit edit. And it'll open up a new tab. And there it is. The funnel is complete. And my internet is a little bit slow, but as you can see, it worked just fine. And then we can also take the web address and copy that link and open up a new tab and just test it just to make sure. And as you can see, it works as well. So that is how you import a shared funnel into your account. Don't worry about that error there. And that's all there is to it. So thanks for watching.